Hi guys.
Hi.
What's your name again?
I'm Nisha.
Nisha. Which book are you reading?
So I'm currently reading The Power of Yes by Chicken Soup.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So would you like to share one big idea from the book?
So it's basically like 101 short stories to overcome your fears and basically say yes to every challenge.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so if you really want to go ahead and get the courage to try something new, you should read this book.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you for sharing and happy reading.
Thank you.
And which book are you reading?
Um, Hi, I'm Neha. I'm currently reading Journey to the Center of the Earth by Jules Verne. I think the book is mostly about their adventure to the center of the earth. It's a fictional book, but I think they have like underlying notes of never giving up and always trying hard no matter what your dream or goal is. So, no matter how crazy your dream is, they still go ahead and they succeed at it. So, I think that's one motivational message that the book gives.
Okay. Thank you for sharing, Neha. And happy reading.
Thank you.
We are reading books. Let me show you which books we are reading. There are many good books we are reading, and there are many people. There are like-minded people who are passionate to read. We are taking tea together with my friends. We are at a very beautiful cafe.
No, not very beautiful. 150 का चाय पी रहे हैं.
We are taking 150 rupees
बहुत
chai.
बेकार है, घटिया है.
Suppu, say something.
This tea cost 150. Not worth it. Yeah.
You didn't like the tea?
अब हो गया, बंद कर.
This is drones lights in the sky. It's really beautiful lights.